Meet the Verve AI Interview Copilot, your real-time partner for acing every conversation interview. Whether it's a behavioral, technical, or even a complex coding round, we've got your back. It all starts with personalization. By simply uploading your resume and the job description, Verve AI moves beyond generic answers. It crafts responses that highlight your unique experience and align them perfectly with the company's specific values. After selecting your persona, you're required to select the interview domain for your interview type and need. You can make adjustments in the checklist and select your required AI model as well as per your needs. You can also select knowledge base or stealth mode if required. Now press launch. You will be required to select video screen or tab. You will be giving interview on and share your audio to before you start the interview. By clicking on the settings button, you can select the picture-in-picture mode to see your interview while staying on the Verve panel, and you can also make adjustment in other feature in settings. Once your interview begins, the Copilot goes to work. It listens in real time, transcribing the conversation instantly. You'll see expert-level suggestions appear on your screen. These aren't just scripts, they are structured frameworks. You can also use AI chat for your questions during your interview. You can also use Notes section to write down any important messages or pointers, and don't worry about privacy. Our stealth mode that comes with desktop app version keeps the Copilot completely hidden during screen shares. After you complete the interview successfully, you can see your report and performance analysis for the interview as well, which will be saved in your profile as well. Stop guessing and start winning. Join the candidates who have already secured their dream jobs. Try Verve AI for free today.